So for example, in a ciphertext only attack, that means the attacker only has the ciphertext to work with. And I gave an example of when we talked about brute force attacks on Cryptosystems. So if I have the ciphertext, which is really easy to grab because that's the encrypted text, that's the encrypted messages that's going back and forth over the internet or whatever communication channel. So I can get the ciphertext, and most goals of attacks on Cryptosystems is to figure out what key was used for the encryption. So if I could figure out what key was used for the encryption, then I could use that key hopefully to decrypt other messages. And I could decrypt the message that I captured. So if it's a ciphertext only, and I'm the attacker, I have the ciphertext, the encrypted message, and I could try key after key after key until I figure out which key was used for the encryption. So ciphertext is the hardest to be successful in because it's going to take an exhaustive attack, a brute force attack. But it's easiest to get a hold of ciphertext. You can get a hold of that anywhere.